Hello YouTube, is your boy right here, Glory George, and in today's video I'm going to be unveiling another trading strategy that you guys need to know about. But before I do that, I want to request just one thing from you guys: subscribe to the channel. Have you done that? Thank you for doing that. Now smash the like button. Have you done that? Thanks for doing that. So thanks for subscribing and thanks for liking this video, and let's head straight into the video and that ultimate strategy that I used in growing an account. So yes, I opened a broker, and actually that was when I started trading, or that's when I started Forex trading, and I think I blew that account to about, it was in my naira, it was in my home currency, which is in naira, right, so I deposited about 4,000 naira into that account, right. I deposited about 4,000 naira into that account, and I lost about 3,000 naira, or about 2,800 naira. I think that what was left in that account was 1,200 naira. Yeah, that was left in that account, and that account is this particular account. I will not show you guys the balance right now. So this is Wednesday, April 5th, and I wake up, and this is around 7:17 a.m. so it was early today, around 2:30, right, 2:30 a.m. that I woke up, and then I was just looking through at NZD/USD chart until I found an opportunity on the chart. So guys, let me show you guys the balance of this account right now. As you guys can see right here, as you guys can see, I made profit, I made loss, I jumped into the trade, I made loss. I had to wait patiently because it's all about patience. I didn't wait for the perfect time or for the perfect candle to form before I jumped into the trade, and I ended up making this loss. So this loss, I closed the trade with this loss. Know that it's in naira and not in dollar. Then I waited for another confirmation, and that confirmation made me this money. And when that confirmation came in, I jumped into the main trade, and it made me this money. So what is the strategy that I use? And as you guys can see right here, this is my profit. I made about 3,623, but know that that the amount in this account was about 1,200 naira, but this is the amount in my account now. So let me show you guys the strategy that I used. Okay, let me turn my screen so that you guys can see it. Okay, so here's the time, and this is the time that I actually jumped into the trade. I don't know why this is actually small. Okay, so this is the candle that made me that money. This is a candle, this candle right here, this long bullish candle is a candle that made me that money. So how did I do it? I was seeing the market making movements like this. I was seeing the market making movements like this, doing something like this, doing something like this, all the way down. So I decided to draw a trend line, and that trend line connected those points in that market. So the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, right, when the third touch came, the third touch touched this market, broke a little bit, bringing out a wick. I thought that is going to make me my that this is going to break through this trend line. That particular time, that was when I jumped into the trade and made that 800 naira loss. Until I waited, when I waited, I saw that there was a bearish candlestick that now pushed this market all the way down. Then the market went all the way down a little until this long bullish candle right here now puffed up the market, giving me that profit. Do you guys understand what I said? Okay, let me try to bring it back into the chart. Okay, I don't know why, but this one is small like this. That's why I can't explain it to the chart. So this is my first touch. I did a trend line. This is my first touch. This is my second touch. Now my third touch now is this particular one that is in this side. That's where my third touch was, right? So market broke through that my trend line a little bit. I saw a bullish candle. I thought that was the perfect time for me to jump into the trade. When I jumped into the trade, that was when I made that 800 naira loss that I showed you guys. Then I waited patiently. I saw bearish candlesticks, and those bearish candlesticks pushed the market downwards a little. And as you guys can see, there's another bearish candlestick here, this particular one right here. Right, then before I could even blink my eyes, I saw this bullish candlestick poofed all the way up, right? So I know, so as I started seeing wicks in this bullish candlestick, I said that maybe sellers are now coming to the market, and I saw this bearish candlestick. So market has already made me this profit right here, and I'm so happy for it. So that's the strategy that I use. It's actually called the trend line strategy. But this trend line strategy doesn't work 100% because there is no strategy in the forex market that work 100%. So first touch, second touch, what might happen in your third touch? There might be a breakout of trend line that will make this trend to go up, or there might be a okay, it can't work. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, so first touch, second touch. In the third touch, there might be a possibility that this market is going to go bullish, or this market is going to come here, retest this zone that served as a resistance, and also push all the way down. So that is how it works. But you have to use your candlestick knowledge or to jump into the trade. You don't just jump carelessly, just like the way I jumped careless and then made loss. So you have to make use of your candlestick knowledge in order for you to make profit here. At least at this region, you should be looking for bullish engulfing candlestick if you want to go for an uptrend. But at this region too, you should also be looking for candlestick that will give you confirmation that this market is going to go bearish. So that's how it will work, making use of trend line. That's a trend line strategy. A trend line connects points in the market. But this is my first touch, my second touch, my third touch might break through this thing and go up, or it might just serve as or this my trend line can serve as a point of resistance that will push this market all the way down. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's your boy right here, Glory George, giving you guys content back to back. I will catch you up in my next one.